Hey, you guys, this is Financial Freedom with Velvet. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I'm going to be part of a new opportunity soon. And right off the bat, I want to let you know, yes, it's paid, but it's very inexpensive. You guys don't have to worry about that. But don't worry about the money so much, because whenever I bring you guys an opportunity that is paid, trust, when I say you will make money with it, as long as you put in the work, okay? When it comes to any job, any opportunity, online or not, you have to put in the work, okay? So like I said, this is an opportunity I want to talk. Everybody needs and should be a part of. Um, I'm just gonna say this much. It's a service that you need, and you can make money with it on the side as well. Okay, so I'm mainly gonna be talking to you about, the services, and at the end of the video, I'm just gonna, throw in the opportunity, because I want you guys to mainly focus on the service that it offers you, because it's something we all need. Okay, so in a couple of days or so, I will be joining the opportunity, and I will be coming on here and presenting it to you, and it's up to you if you guys want to join. No one, you're not. I'm not, asking you to. I'm not forcing you. I'm not begging you. I'm just letting you know. I tell you guys about stuff that'll make you money. I help. That's how I help you guys. Okay. Yes, you guys can continue with the free. Yes, I'm gonna still be promoting the free opportunities. I'm gonna be promoting this as well. Okay. So just please stay tuned. I'm gonna be talking about it a lot. Um, It's something that I'm really, really, really passionate about now, because I've been a part of a similar company, but it had a lot of restrictions. I was not able to even promote it the way I want to, the way I'll be able to promote this one. Okay? So I'm not a part of it yet, so that's why you guys don't see any, website or anything like that yet. But I will have my own website for you guys to go to and watch a video and have a presentation for it, everything like that. Okay? Right now, I'm just telling you about it so you can get, when I start putting it on my channel and you start seeing the videos, you're not wondering, okay, what happened? Why is she not, promoting the free stuff anymore? I'm still going to promote the free stuff. I'm just going to, like I said, there are people who need this service, and like I said, you'll know what it is when I start making the videos on it and I take you to the website and all that. But right now, I'm just telling you, I'm going to be promoting a new opportunity. It is paid, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Don't worry so much about that, because if you had to pay into something that's going to make you a lot of money, I'm pretty sure you would, because this is not something that's going to cost you thousands of dollars either. So I'm letting you know right off the bat, because I know a lot of people tell you right when they start promoting it that it's paid. You don't find that out till later, and I want you guys to know now, before I start promoting it. I'm only talking about it. I'm not even telling you what it's called. I'm just talking about it. I'm just telling you, yes, I'm going to be a part of a paid opportunity. Yes, it is paid, so you guys will know, okay? I want to be upfront with you. I don't want you guys to see the opportunity and wonder why I didn't tell you that you had to pay into it, okay? There's a reason you have to, but I'll get into that when I join the opportunity and I start, telling you more about it when I start making the videos, okay? So I just want to come on here, take a brief moment to let you guys know. In a couple of days, if not this week, it'll be next week for sure. I'm going to be a part of basically a service that everyone needs. It's going to be, very inexpensive to come aboard on. And it does have a monthly charge, but don't worry about that, okay? Do not worry about that. I'm telling you guys, sometimes you focus too much on, how much it costs and if there's a monthly, just focus on the fact that you're going to be able to help other people out, and you're going to be able to earn money with this as well. And if they do what you're doing, they're gonna earn money as well. Okay, I don't want to talk. Like I said, I don't want to give too much away. I want you guys to just have this on your mind and be prepared when I start promoting this, because I'm really serious about it. I I was a part of a company similar to this, and I was not able to do anything with it. So that's the reason I'm coming on here now, letting you guys know that I finally am able to be a part of something that I can promote and share with people and help them, make money as well with it. You know, I'm not used to companies that have restrictions. There are companies that say you can only join if you're part of USA or Canada, but you know, I like the worldwide opportunities. I like the opportunities where people can join. I will let you know if it's worldwide as well. Like right now, like I said, right now, I'm still doing my research on it, but I wanted to come on here to tell you guys this is an opportunity. This is a service you need. Everyone needs, okay? And you will make money with it. But solely going to be talking to you about the service. I will talk to you about the opportunity, how you make money with it, but I'm solely focused on you guys, the service, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about the opportunity so you guys do know it is paid. There is a monthly charge for it, but like I said, don't even worry about it. I'll tell you more about it once I join, and I'm going to continue doing my research on it. So just get ready and be prepared to see those videos on my channel. Alright, you guys, this is Financial Freedom with Velvet. See you in future videos.